Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Jackman Road Elementary School in Temperance, Michigan, part of the Bedford School District. I'm standing outside the gymnasium where earlier today we had an assembly for grades 3, 4, and 5, all about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose, right? And I got to visit here virtually last school year, talking about positivity, being your best self, but today we took it up a level. And it's so cool that right outside this gym, right, it says be, and you fill in the blank every adjective, amazing, yourself, strong, kind. And that's really what leaders are, right? All of these things and more. And we really focused on saying, hey, we need more positive leaders for this world. And the reason I wear this shirt is because you see different colors, part of this multicolored peace sign, showing that there's so many ways to lead. Some of us are more vocal, loud leaders. Some of us just lead by our actions. And there's no wrong way to lead. We just want to make sure that we're leading in a positive way, in a positive nature. And the kids really took that home today. And now how we start to lead is by turning our passion, what we love to do, what brings us life, brings us alive, turning that into our purpose, like our life calling, why we're even here on this earth. And yes, we're very young, but we're thinking about trying to get the wheels already turning at a young age. And for these students to already take heart and really hear that message and start thinking about, what it is that makes them happy and what they love to do, and maybe using that to go help others, that's huge. I had a girl come up to me after the assembly, said, I love reading. And she wants to already start helping younger students learn how to read better, right? She's turning her passion for reading into now her purpose, starting that already, as a very young student. And that's so inspiring to me, that they're picking up the torch, not just thinking about themselves, but thinking about others too. We talk about how we put people first and things second, that we're trying to be other people's helping hands and thinking about, how we want to give back, right? How we want to really try to lift others up instead of bring them down. And that takes courage, and that takes us knowing that we need to do the right thing even when no one's watching, that we have to think about our legacy already, what we want to be remembered for, that we're not just doing it for a trophy or for money or for an award on the wall. We're just doing it because it's the right thing to do. That's what leaders do. And they really did take that home today. We really reinforced that through a series of motivational videos, some inspirational, heartfelt stories, and some positive music as well. And leaders truly understand their power, right? We talk about this concept that all of us have the letter M with the lines of our hand on our palms, etched on our palms, right? We have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. But I say that this M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. But for us to really, truly believe this and buy into this, to know our worth, our value, our power as leaders, that's such an important lesson to grasp. And the students that came up to me after sharing their heart and saying, hey, I am trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit. I'm trying to get past stage fright or fears, or just, step into knowing their power, right? That was just incredible for me. It's such an amazing feeling to know that they're seeing their opportunity to, have the courage to face those fears head on and to overcome that, because they know that this world really, really needs them. And they need their gifts, and everybody has something to offer. So again, we think about what we want to be remembered for, and then we go live that, right? We make others proud of us through our actions, through making a difference. Just like the story of the starfish and the girl that was throwing as many as she could back in the ocean that got washed up on the shore that needed to get thrown in to be saved. She said, look, I might not be able to save them all, but as she throws the next one in, she said, at least I made a difference to this one. And just one small action can have a huge, huge impact. And that's what we're trying to really accomplish here, is knowing that we can do things in our life, even right now, as young people, that are going to last on other people's hearts forever. Thank you guys so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist here for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on this screen tablet wherever you're watching this video, and track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.